Hi, my name is Heidi Geraldine Diaz. I live in Bogota with my parents and my sister. I have a dog named Simon. I am 26 years old. I work in Archivit and I study business administration. I have a boyfriend. I like to the movies. I like to soccer. I love the music and watch TV. I love to dance. Love. 1. David is Tyler than Valentina. 2. Martha is happier than his sister. 3. My cat is smiler than your dog. 4. Edwin is not intelligent as the monkey. 5. Pedro and Juan are fatter than the bears. And 6. My dad is more beautiful than my husband. Finish. Goodbye.